Hello and welcome to Endeavour Solutions Business Central informative miniseries on BC's design for financial resilience. Marvin, can you showcase how to uncover trends and opportunities with Power BI and Business Central?
So I want to uncover some of the trends and opportunities, right? So I'm in Business Central right now, but Business Central being cloud-based, I'm actually going to go up to my Office account here and I'm going to open up Power BI. So this is just one of the other tools that I can leverage Business Central with. I can either embed Business Central reports embed Power BI reports into Business Central, or I can go up and look at them in my tenant. So when I pop into my when I pop into my Power BI, you're seeing a couple different things. I've got my financial dashboard showing right away. And what this is doing is it's giving me the ability to get insights. So when I choose to get insights, what ends up happening is actually it's a component in Power BI which provides additional insights based on trends, historical data, and can also help provide some forecasts. The insights feature is actually built on a growing set of some pretty awesome advanced analytic algorithms. That's a sentence and a half or a mouthful. Developed in conjunction with Microsoft's research that will continue to see and allow more people to find insights and look deeper into their data. So it's giving you that intuitive look into the data. So I'm going to actually, and you'll see here, just to point out, when I clicked on the Get Insights, you're seeing here all the additional insights that were being pulled up based on the financial dashboard that I was looking at. I'm going to move over to my net change revenue here for a second, right? So when I move over to my net change revenue, I have another Power BI report, but once again, I have those Get Insights set up. And you can see that, a recent trend is that the total expenditures have most recently increased by 100%, over the last 8 months. So it's actually diving into that data and giving you a much more powerful look and analysis into that data that you're working with.
Thanks, Marvin. What a great overview on uncovering trends and opportunities within Business Central. Well, that concludes our section on BC's design for financial resilience. Stay tuned for our next section on how Business Central is architected for cloud security.